Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on lock screen, tap on screen lock type and select one of the login methods. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, then draw my pattern, tap continue, draw it again and click confirm. Over here you can turn on or off notifications by tapping on the switcher. When you're done, click done. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!